Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. This is truly Tara and here I do unboxings and reviews and we just talk about makeup and skincare and that kind of stuff. And I think we have a lot of fun. Okay, so I have something really fun today. This is something new and it is Caligoodiesbysol. The fun, I mean, I've already had so much fun with this and I haven't even opened it yet. Um, so she will put your order on TikTok. What she does is she has so much stuff, like you got all the beauty boxes. Well, she has all of her stuff and she has a big old tub and she dips her little thing. She does your order on TikTok basically. And you get what you get. And I'm going to tell you, I took a little teeny tiny peek in here and okay, so you can do a small or a large. A large is 30 something. And so look, it, like already Hello Kitty, like what? Okay, so this might take a minute to get through, so be patient with me because I haven't opened it. I wanted you guys to see my true reaction. So okay, first things first is cuteness. Okay, where did my scissors go? So I hope you guys stick around, because it's going to be taking me a minute to open. So that's what I thought. Okay, so it's a little hair thing. How adorable is that? Okay. Wow. Okay. So, all right. That says free gift. Look at that packaging. How cute is that? Okay. And it is, okay, so Caligoodiesbysol. Estefani Lugo Cosmetics Moss. I mean, that's very, very pretty card. Nice, I think, what do you call it? Stock. Thank you for your purchase and for supporting my small business. And then I get 15% off of my next order. So that's awesome. Okay, so, oh, how cute. Mousse Matte, Italian Deluxe, and another. Okay, so y'all already know what I think about red. I'm not a red girl, but I will definitely find a wonderful home for these. Yeah. But I love that little bag. That little bag's very, very cute. Okay, so, and again, free gift. Wow. H2O Balm. Little face mask. Moisturizing, relieves the skin, nourishing, balances the skin. So, yeah. All right. Oh my gosh. See, I watched my TikTok. I watched her do it, but you really can't tell exactly, what you get. I seen one thing that I got, and I can't wait to get into it because it just so goes along with. Oh yeah, and happy 4th, by the way. I'm a little late, but that's all right. I will keep my flag up for the month of July. It is also my birthday month, so happy birthday, America. Happy birthday, Tara. I'm trying to get in this. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's a little mirror. How cute. I love the cats. Yes. That just had my kitty race. How cool. Isn't it weird how the universe works? Like, oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this. Look at that. That's a lot of stuff. I already recognize one little thing. Okay. Oh, wow. She Beauty. Look. I've never seen a pencil that comes with a sharpener. Awesome. I mean, maybe I just haven't looked hard enough, but that's a first for me. Okay. Oh, wow. What? Did you guys know about this? Wow. Okay, so of course that's really, really red. I might just have to start wearing red just because. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. This looks like the lip oil that I got. Ooh, it's dark. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. I need to be careful on that because I will make a fool out of myself. Yeah, I like that. Oh, there's so many. Like, wow. Just a, what? Oh, I should have put that on. Maybe I'll put it on over. That's got candy canes, and this is Feast Day. Interesting. Ooh, yes. Okay. Oh, I like that a lot. They all, I think, oh, that, yeah, that has like chocolate. Is that chocolate? Otramo. Okay. All right. Amuse. Oh, so we know that's mascara. I don't have to open it. Oh, I need to be, gosh, I need to be higher. Okay. Okay. So extended curl waterproof mascara. Okay. 360. No, 36 hours. Yes, 36 hours. Favor. Oh my gosh. I need glasses. Favor Beauty. I don't know. Okay. I see love on there. Okay, we'll just open it. Waterproof makeup. So, oh, I bet it's eye. I bet it's eyeshadow. Okay, so purple. Got purple. There's just so much. Okay, check that. Lip tints, magic, your life, cherry cake. Oh, wow. This, I'm so, so glad that I did this. Like, she's a small business and I love, like, there's so many boxes that, oh, that I'm so ready to get rid of. And this is what I've been talking about. Like, I want to get new boxes. I want to get different things. Kind of getting the same stuff over and over. I'm done with it. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. That's awesome. That's amazing. So, I was going to say, I guess this is all lip, but it's not. Oh, yes. Right there, baby. Lip gloss matte, long lasting. Oh my gosh. Gotta look at it. Oh, okay. So you, oh, no. Oh, well, what did I just do? Oh, okay. Maybe, I think it comes. Yeah, I need to get, I popped the top, but I actually don't think that that's what you do. Stick with me. I got it. There we go. Oh, yes. I like that. I would try it, but I've already got some on. I love that. These are just the cutest, are they not? Okay, I would take it that that is serum for your eyelashes. And then we got a couple of these. Now, is that? Yes, it is. All right. Kiki Mood Magic Louis. You guys comment and tell me if you have ever heard of Caligoodies. And have you seen a lot of that? I have not seen this stuff. How have I not seen this stuff before? Okay. this is pretty. I'm going to have to set myself up higher because I feel like I'm down here doing stuff and you can't see, and like that makes it kind of weird. Okay, so that's very pretty. I really do like that color. And he's just adorable. Or she. Okay, 3-in-1 foundation stick. Nice. Need that. Let's see what brand. Amuse. Wow, this is just full of things that just make me happy. Okay. Oh, okay. I just pulled the bottom off and it's okay. Oh, yellow. Look, it's got a little chick on it. Okay, so another one of them. Ooh, this is pretty. Lip talker or lip topper. That is from She Beauty or She Makeup. So I'm set on lip gloss for a while. But actually, like, I'll give a lot of this stuff away. Fruit Burst. And my daughter will like a lot of this stuff too. Okay, now I got one of these. Oh my gosh, this was one of my choices in Ipsy. Mata Secret. Let's see. Close to the same color. Wow. Interesting. So that's cool. Okay. All right. And we're down to the last two. Diamond Bright. And that is, again, the She. And Oz Lab Lip Gloss. Vitamin E Clear Jelly Gloss Honey Butter. Ooh, nice. Okay. Oh, and ooh, what do we have here? Okay, Amuse Cosmetics Radiant Bronze Pearls. Oh, wow. Yeah, nice. I can't wait to get into that. I love this so much. You just don't even know. Okay. All right. And this is the last little package. I mean, for 30 something, I pay 30 something for boxes every month, and they are not nearly as full. And I mean, this, wow. Okay. Amuse X's and O's eyeshadow palette. Very, very pretty colors. I don't want to open it and get into it just because I've got to get to work soon. Wow. Celavette Cosmetics. I can't tell if that's an eye. Okay. Because it's kind of war. But it is a matte rose palette. That's very pretty. Those are some very pretty colors. And last but not least, this is the one thing that I knew that I was going to be getting, and I was so excited. Just because Truly has the whole Barbie thing going, and the whole Barbie movie is going. So this is just perfect for right now. If I can get it open. So I have lots of boxes coming probably next week. I mean, yeah, it'll definitely be next week. I was hoping, oh, wow. Okay. So here, okay, did I even show you? It's Barbie. All right. So check those out. Those are really, really pretty. Okay, so you got called, oh, Cali Girl. Cali Girl. I cannot read these. Come on, Durs go. What? I'm not saying that. Okay. Shine On. I can't read them. They're just too, I can't read them. But they are really pretty colors. Um, okay. So this is Cali? West Cali? Is that what that? I don't know. Okay, so it's not doing much of anything. Okay. Okay, so this is not a very pigmented palette, but, or maybe it's just me. Okay, there we go. There we got some color. Yeah, I think it just took it a minute to, yeah, there we go. Okay. So that was the whole bottom. Make waves. Okay, so there's something kind of off with this palette. Um, like I think that that is supposed to, like it's W.A. Cali, right? Okay. I've never heard of Wa Cali before. I mean, and then there's, I don't even know. Okay, so then it's W.T. FL up. Is like, what the fuck? What? This in a Barbie palette? Okay. You got Void Walk. Okay, now this is no reflection on the person, the Callie. Like, I'm sure that this was, make wave. Instead of saying make waves, it's make wave, and there's a T at the end. So I'm Malibu Barbie. What year did this come out? Okay, so this production date 5/21. The expiration date is 5/26. So what I'm thinking, God, I almost, I mean, this is weird, is it not? Okay, so the one thing that I did not want to read, I mean, I'm just going, dares go farty is what it says. Like, I'm not even, okay, so there's come one, then there's Collie Girl. Like, that should be Cali Girl. I thought that, like, when I was reading it, that's why I was like, Call Girl. Um, instead of, I do think, no, it doesn't even, it says spline on. Oh my gosh, this is just so weird. Follow the sun, best coast. Then it's got WETL coast, and coast is CAOST. Weddle Chaos. Like, I should possibly keep this for like, I don't know, like, this is just odd. This is odd. And again, like I said, this is no reflection on the person that, like, it was in plastic. That is not her fault, because I want her to get some business. Like, I really do. Like, that was a lot of stuff for 30 bucks. We pay 30 bucks for boxes all day long and don't get half of the really nifty little things. And I can't wait to try this. And this palette looks really cool. Like, so yeah, please, Caligoodiesbysol. And like I said, she does a little TikTok video showing your order, which that's just cool. What a great idea. That's why I loved it so much. Like, I loved seeing her do my little scoop. Like, it's just, that's such a good idea. Like, bam, it's a great idea. So go support her. It's easy to find. Just put in Cali, Caligoodies, and by soul. It's all one word, BYSOL. Um, and that's going to be it for me. Like, subscribe, comment. My butt's got to get to work. And I know I still have to review my Truly soft serve. I've got a video of it. Maybe I should just go ahead and put it out. I'll think about it. I want to give it, I mean, I did an honest review on it, but I will, I don't know. I will talk to you guys in the next. Y'all have a good one. Bye.